Hey guys, today I am going to tell you something interesting about VMware Workstation, nothing but a virtual machine workstation. So in this video I am going to tell you about how to download and install the VMware Workstation, the latest 2020 version with its serial key. So you people, please subscribe to my channel Electronic Quotient. So let's get into the video now. Please go to your search engine and type VMware workstation. So go to the official site of it. So you will get a page like this. So you are having the two options here. Try workstation 15.5 Pro. Buy workstation Pro today. So if you want to buy it, you can go to this site, and if you want to download it for free with a serial key, go to this site. So click on download option. So if you are using Linux software, Linux OS, go to this site, and if you are using for Windows, go here. So download the file, it's of 542 MB. So I'm going to stop this. I have already downloaded the file before only. So open the file and run it. So the product is installing. So you will get the product installation like this. If you restart your system, you are able to get the access to install the VM workstation now. So I am pausing the video and restarting the device. So after restarting my device, I got like this. So you are used to get an license agreement, so accept to it and click on next. So it will tell you, it will ask you for an custom setup or an enhanced keyboard driver. So if you click on enhanced mode, it will ask for again reboot to your device. So no need for that. Go to next. So if you want to create a desktop icon, so keep tick mark on the desktop icon, and if you want to get the icon in the start menu, so please keep a tick mark there also. So I'm going to next and click on install. So VMware is installing now. So let us wait until it's get installed. I'm pausing the video for a little. So after the installation complete, you can see the icon here, VMware Workstation. So if you click the finish button, we can exit the setup. So if you want to enter your license, so click on license. So it will ask to enter the license now. So for the sake of license, again go to your search engine and type VMware. What's your version is now present is my version is 15.5.2. So enter your version name and type license key. So go to the website of GitHub. Here you will be getting the serial keys. So pick out any one. I am picking out this. And open the wizard and paste. So click on enter. So the license key is accepted now and click on finish. So it will again ask you to restart your device, or if you have any plan you can go to manual restart later. So I don't have any plan, so I am pausing the video for now and going to restart my device. So guys, after finally 2 restarts, finally we installed VMware Workstation with its serial key. Now I am opening now. Yeah, it's successfully installed now. Workstation 15.5 Pro. So if you want to create an virtual machine now, so click on this and create. So I will be doing another video on this by installing the new OS on your PC with Windows 7 or Windows 8 or Windows 10 Pro or with Linux OS on the next video. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel Electronic Quotient. Thank you guys.